Hi everybody, YouTube. I just got out here at the dock. See if there's any crappie here today. Kind of windy out here today. I was gonna launch my kayak at the boat launch at the Oxford Dam, but it was too windy. There wasn't a single boat there. See if I can find them here. Got him. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Yeah. Little scoop. Little crappie. Tiny. There we go. We out here at the bottom of Oxford Dam. See if I can catch some white perch. When I passed by earlier this morning, I saw some people down here fishing. But it doesn't look like they're down there now. It's windy. We got a new fence up here. Fish on. Ah, white perch again. Alright, I think I got another white perch here. About the same size as the other one. A little on the small side. See if I can catch a bigger one. So the key here is letting the line out and try to get the bait out as far as you can. And just let it flow down with the current. And when the fish bite, you can feel it. Fish on. It's a bigger one. I think it's a bigger one. Ah, let's see. Yeah, I think it's a bigger one. Still on the small side here. Fish on, little perch, little perch. Maybe got some size on this one. Let's see what's going on here. Little perch, little perch.